Hey everyone, so this will just be a very quick unboxing of the Garmin Venu SQ. This watch has been out for a while, but Garmin has their holiday sale going on. So these are $70 off. This is the non-music version, so this is only 130 bucks. So the box is just a Garmin smartwatch Venu SQ. This is what you'll find when you open up the box. There's nothing else in here. So you have your Venu SQ here, your Garmin charging cable here, which most Garmins nowadays use the same cable, which is cool. So if you have multiple Garmins, you can just use one cable. Some pamphlets here on the SQ, quick start guide, and here is the watch itself in all of its square goodness. The strap says Garmin. This feels to be all, I think it's all plastic. But it's nice looking plastic. And then this is silicone. Like up here is like plastic, I think. It's a very light watch. These are 20mm bands, straps. So on Amazon they sell a crazy amount of different bands that will fit this. These are standard straps, they're not proprietary to Garmin. And again, they are very cheap, and just a whole bunch of them on Amazon's website. Then here is a little bit of an awkward view angle here, but of the SQ, which of course is on the left, next to my Fitbit Ionic, which is of course on the right. And you see the Ionic is actually a decent amount bigger. Ionic does have a case on it, but it is still a decent amount bigger. But both are pretty similar. Very similar looking. And yeah, that is what you get with the Garmin SQ. Thank you guys very much for watching. Stay tuned for more vids to come. Have a good one. I appreciate you. Goodbye.